What's up, YouTubers? I hope you guys are doing pretty well, and this time I bring you a product review of the Marvel Avengers series. It's an Iron Man light plug, and this really looks very fancy. It's in any Iron Man fan would really love to have this in the house. And let's see the features. So if I flip the box, I see a few features. It's pretty efficient. It has an auto on, auto off feature. It's very easy. It would fit into any standard wall outlet. It's safe, again, of course, and it's saving. It only takes pennies to operate this light plug. Let's quickly get into the unboxing of it. So again, I see the hologram. Nice. So I'll pull the box. I'll try to pull it out. And there you go, the beautiful Iron Man plug. Let me keep this aside. Let's see what are the other contents in it. And I see again a manual, and I also see a 3D sticker outlet, 3D sticker for the outlet, which will give you the effect. And what effect I'm talking about is something like this, to give a niche look. Okay, so let's quickly take the product to light and see. Beautiful Iron Man. It has the plug. Let's try to see how exactly it works. Okay friends, as you see, I have plugged in the Iron Man lights, and it's not glowing, and it's an auto function. So as I switch off the lights, this turns on, and believe me, this looks amazing. Just look at it. Wow. And the best feature, again, if I turn on the light, it goes off. So that's the cool feature. So that is how you could save money because of the auto feature. And I hope you have liked the video. Give the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more